What if your HR software didn't just manage people, but actually helps them perform better? Meet PeopleGoal, the world's most customizable employee performance management and HR software designed to 3x your team's productivity, and not with guesswork, but with a structure that actually works. From goal setting to engagement, onboarding to development, the tool offers solutions that brands truly love. You don't have to force fit your people into the rigid processes. With PeopleGoal, you build workflows around them. No code, no chaos. It's trusted by global leaders, rated a high performer, and built to align your entire team from day one. Let's go ahead and walk through how all of this works. At the heart of it all is performance. PeopleGoal helps you set those OKRs and SMART goals at every single level and actually aligns them across your teams. When I run check-ins and one-to-ones, here's the conversations that are no longer scattered in emails or buried in those spreadsheets. I can actually see every commitment, every goal, all in one place, plus structured 360 feedback with anonymity that options the reducing of bias and gives balance, multi-source input, which makes it easier to hold those people accountable on your team without making them feel like they're micromanaged. That means that I spend less time chasing the updates and more time actually guiding people towards the results. Now we come to employee engagement. PeopleGoal lets you check the emotional pulse of your organization with customizable surveys, including Pulse eNPS and multilingual options for your global teams. I like to be able to drop in a quick survey on a motivation or a well-being and get those immediate insights. And it gives me clarity about how people are feeling before the issues grow into those problems. With AI that groups open-ended responses by theme, highlights sentiment, and suggests follow-up actions. Instead of myself kind of relying on assumptions or those secondhand kind of kitchen conversations, I get real data that tells me where I've got to improve. That makes conversations about culture so much easier because I can actually show employees that their voices, based on what they said, directly to shape those decisions that we are going to make. All right, now let's jump into growth. With PeopleGoal, employees can build personal development plans, map out career paths, track skills, competencies, and they get to track their progress over time. And it links all to the feedback and recognition for that holistic view. The first time I was able to use the platform to guide a career path conversation, it blew my mind. It was eye-opening because I could pull up a clear progression map during a meeting and suddenly the discussion wasn't abstract anymore. The employees saw that their future laid out in front of them, and I could point to the exact skills that they were going to need to reach that future, tied back to their recent 360 insights and goal progress. Amazing, right? That kind of structure doesn't just keep people motivated, it helps retain the talent because they know that I'm invested in their growth and they feel ownership in their career trajectory. And yes, it goes beyond performance reviews. PeopleGoal empowers core HR workflows too, from onboarding to offboarding, asset tracking to time off. It's all automated with no code builder. I've set up different onboarding flows for different teams, and what's used to take days of coordination is now a drag and drop type of setup where new hires can get exactly the experience that they need, and I don't have to call IT every time that I want a small change, even for a complex organization with multi-dimension teams and custom organization charts that reflect reality. No flat hierarchies. It saves me hours of back and forth, and it keeps every process consistent without slowing people down. Now then, let's talk about outcomes. Every action you take feeds into the custom dashboards and real-time reports. When I pull up a dashboard, I can instantly see who's hitting goals and which teams are struggling and how engagement is trending, including custom metrics and scheduled recurring reports. What I don't need to do is wait around for those quarterly reports or spend time building a presentation from scratch. The insights are right here, all ready for me to share with my team and or my leadership. And because it's integrated with Bamboo HR, ADP, Slack, Microsoft Teams, Workday, and so on, I'm not just stuck juggling disconnected systems. My data is actually seamlessly moving, which makes decisions faster and a lot more accurate. So here's what PeopleGoal really is. It's a platform that helps you align with your goals, reduce the bias through 360 feedback, uncover engagement, drivers with AI, track growth, run HR your way without needing to overhaul your entire system. And for me, it's about clarity. When I can see performance, culture, and growth in one place, I lead with confidence. My people feel supported, and I know that we're all moving in the same direction, meeting the same expectations. So go ahead and click the link below to get started for free or to schedule your demo. And hey, if this gave you some sort of clarity, give us a like and hit subscribe, and share this with somebody who's in your world, buried under HR chaos and needs a better way.